delicious. It's the Riot, and thank y'all for traveling with me. What's up, YouTube? You may be wondering, where have I been? And what's the purpose of this video? But let me give you a back story. Your boy's been traveling. That's right, if you're new to this channel, it's the Riot, and I am, an adventurer, explorer, the world traveler, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you a little story about what happened while traveling the world. So let me set the tone. India, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu. Me and the wife were out, having coffee and whatnot. Rainy season. Yes, torrential downpour. Everybody's packed on the side of the road. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get hit. But look, I want to get home. I'm ready to eat. Plus, your boy's being a little romantic on the beach side. Heavy rain. What a better chance to take to walk down the strip and dance with the missus in the rain. Perfect. But the catch was, I had my laptop with me. That's right, an Apple laptop. And I thought a leather bag would protect it. Well, that wasn't the case. So we walked in the rain, danced, unforgettable moments. But that did cause me to have to get a new laptop. So here is a video of us getting a new laptop after love destroying the first. Travel with me.
What happened?
So yesterday
Raining damaged our laptop, and we gotta buy a new one for our work.
destroyed it. Not only did it get ran on, earlier today got ran over by a cat. Cat threw it off the desk. This is gonna be the second most expensive video. The first one was this one.
iPhone, and second is laptop.
We put them together and have the most expensive YouTube video. We're trying to get 3 subscribers. No, this is the one, right? Pro. Oh, Pro? Now, is there such thing as USB-C to HDMI? Yeah. Might have to get one of those. HBC to HDMI port. That means like Apple to TV.
Apple to TV?
Yeah.
Here, guys, this is our monthly second time.
So apparently, leather doesn't protect electronics from torrential downpours.
No. So we got damaged us today.
So this one's about like $1,500 roughly.
And we got this one beefer from here. And now baby's taking this one. So
you should go for production plan.
Yeah, exactly, right. For production plan?
Yes, that's family plus the increase for physical activity for the 3 years.
Oh, and you can only get that when you buy it, right?
Because display cost maybe 65,000. Instead of paying 65,000, you can pay service and get a replacement
Oh,
for 3 years.
yeah, I think I'm gonna just try to take better care of this one. But the production plan, I thought you meant like I should take the computer and like start a production team and make videos and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, should do it. You know, changing SIM cards and stuff like that. You know, boy, didn't get to remember his number yet, but
You miscalled me. Oh, I mean, I miscalled.
you miscalled me. I miscalled you.
I miscalled. Look at this way. I'm looking. Look, I'm seeing. Oh, I'm looking so pretty.
Do we have to like open it up and make sure everything is Joshua? That's correct. That's right. Josh the Riot, baby. Huh? So, you know, you boys over here right now, we're in iPlanet. It's in Pondicherry. It's pretty cool, like place, nice vibe, you know, but things are a little bit expensive because it's Apple, baby. And right now we're buying a new laptop because the laptop your boy had, you know, got this nice leather bag, but unfortunately had the laptop in there, and the boy was like, you know what, we're gonna walk in the rain today, and then, you know, the laptop didn't survive. So we're gonna try to get that thing fixed eventually, but getting us one right now, and it's gonna be, you know, the most expensive YouTube video that we're putting out right now. So, you know, like, subscribe, and comment on this thing, and ring that bell notification so you get those videos when they drop. So we just finished paying this off, and we're gonna be opening up the box to see, you know, make sure everything's good. And, you know, this time your boy didn't get the warranty on it. That protects it for 3 years. You know, I'm the warranty. I'm the warranty. So yeah, travel with us.
So now
Now we're gonna open this thing. Brand new. It's ours now.
look at this.
MacBook Air, second generation. And slide that Now I'll get this side as well. And it's cool. They don't really do this in America, like but here it's pretty nice because you have to open up everything and make sure everything is good to go. You know, Americans, we get home, drop that thing on the floor, like, this thing was broke when we got it. But, you know, India got that down pat. They got a couple. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be having some more unboxing videos. I'm gonna just leave this on.
Hello?
Tay không? Tay ngon lắm hả? It says hello in Portuguese. Alright.
We will say this. I don't know who is this.
They hung up. Maybe it's Alright, probably set this up later on. So we got this, everything works on it. We're gonna set it up later. And it
Why
comes
is
with
this?
this charge cable. Oh, nice. And what's in this one? Oh.
What is that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, when you buy my phone, we don't got this. This iPhone, this is very wrong. I hate. When I got my iPhone, they didn't give me this one. They didn't give me this one. They only sent me this one.
Yeah. You got to use them old iPhones.
So, would you like to say something more? Focusing on me, guys.
Yeah. 114,000.
Why is it?
114,000. Ooh la la! So we just finished shopping.
We just finished shopping.
Now we're about to get out of here.
Yep.
We'll carry on with the rest of our day.
Yep.
Travel with us.
I said, yeah.
Baby, like, hey, you ready to go?
No, I didn't say like that. Did I?
Nah.
I didn't say like that. You said like this. Look, I said,
Yeah.
no, I said, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, for y'all like back home in America, they park your cars next to each other in big spaces. I can't find my car. We're trying to find our motorcycle right now, and I believe it might be somewhere over this way. Oh shit. Yeah, we're trying to find our bike. There's a billion of them. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So that's the laptop that we got here in India at the Apple store. It was a little bit expensive, so this may be the most expensive YouTube video that this channel has created. So if you enjoy this video, go ahead, pause or don't. Give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciated, and be on the lookout for more content like this as well as others. Leave some feedback in the comments. It's your boy The Riot. Travel with me.